Hello everyone. This is Rutik and it's our day 44 of Finding Job series. So first of all, happy Valentine Day to everyone, and let's start our today's day. Let me tell you how's my day looks like and what I did today. And actually, there are the four concept or a four section I am currently working on, like the fundamental skills, problem solving, as well as the project building and communication. So I divided those chunks throughout my day, and I'm working on it. Like I give allocate the section and allocate the time for each section. So that's how my day gonna. So let me tell you how's it. Actually, I woke up at 7. After that, get I did some exercise, got ready, and sat at my desk. Today I learn about the concept called call, bind, and apply. You see the previous video where we talk about dot this. It is the continuation of the same part, because call, bind, and apply are work with this function and this. So basically, this is tell means this tell the function that we had or you had some kind of a caller function or a parent function or owner. You have one owner object. From that owner you need to take some values and give it to the user. That's the basic concept of this. And let me tell you how call, bind, and apply get work with and get fixed with it. So let's start. First of all, call let me tell you, when I want to call any function, okay, and if there is a this, so I want to attach that object, and then I call that function. Like I have the one object called user, so I just like a user dot say name function, and I call the function. But I don't want to attach that object directly to the function, because sometime in code we don't know which is the user, or lots of things are there. So I don't want to directly give the ownership to the user, that object. So what I did at that time, so at that time call come in a picture. So basically what call did, instead of directly means attaching the object to the function, it's indirectly attached. It's indirectly give the ownership, or tell the function that it is this object is currently your owner, and you need to take value from this object. So how it did that? So we just write like a function, say name dot call, and in which we attach that object. So using this, the object means the function get idea that this is our current object and we need to take data from it. And actually apply is literally same like the call. In call we just passing the arguments in a normal sort of a pattern, and we are separating them using the commas. But what happen in the apply? In apply we are using the array for the arguments. We are just passing the arguments in array. So that is the basic and minor difference between the call and apply. Okay. Then bind. So we know call, apply calls the function. Okay. In and when in runtime they directly call the function. They didn't wait for anything. If I want data, I get data. But what if I want that object to link with my function, but I just don't want to execute it in this time. I want it for future. I don't want currently I don't want it, but yeah, I want to reserve this value for the future. So bind will work for that. Okay. So bind will return a new function which can be called in the future. So that's how bind work. Like I just create a new function, like a new function is equal to the our say name function dot bind, and in which I pass the that object. At this time we are not calling the bind function. We are calling the new function lately whenever we need in our code, or like that, etc. So it's for the future value, we can say. So after call, bind, and apply, I move on to the DSA part, where I finish the binary tree. We solve the all sort of problems in a binary tree using the different approaches, like a iterative approach, recursive approach, top down. I learn about the how top down work, how bottom up work, the depth first search and breadth first search. So that are the basic things I learn about the binary tree, and we solve the lots of problems around it. And after that I move on to the next part actually. And this In project building, actually my next section is the project building. And in project building I'm building like the after me project, where the person have storing its all documents, all sort of a thing, all personal things of its family. And like a family have access to the all necessary things of any person in their relatives. So I have that kind of idea in my mind, and I'm actually working on it, and I'm building lots of things. I am introducing a new concept like a memory vault, and voice messages, future voice messages, as well as what happen if I'm gone. So lots of concept are there. I'm trying to implement it in my project. Currently I'm not sure how can I implement it, because UI is ready, but storing data and how can I connect with the group or family. So lots of challenges are there, I am figuring out. But yeah, I will tell you after the project was complete. I will deploy it on the uh, any sort of platform. So after then I move on to the communication practice. Today I actually read a book and saw some podcast about how can we articulate our thought. The things I learned, like when you are the confident speaker, your sentence are well structured and they are very short, okay. But when you are nervous and you don't know what to speak, at that time you are simplify your version and you speak in a very long sentences, because you feel that what I'm speaking, it's actually listener was able to understand it or not, we are not sure. So we will try to simplify it as simple as that, or for that we are using lots of word, and our sentence get lots of heavy, like it's too big. So I learned that type of a thing. Yeah, I learned lots of things today. And today is Saturday, and yeah, that's it for today. I did nothing after that, basically doing just daily kind of stuff. Yeah, that's it. I'm not sure, because sometimes what happen, I don't have any script. I'm just directly speaking to the camera, and I'm just speaking what comes in my head actually. And because of that, sometimes I'm speaking anything, like anything, but I want to improve that. Okay, so I want the good thoughts, and I am able to convert that thoughts or articulate that thoughts greatly to you, so you can understand it well better. So okay. And after a meantime, in break time, I'm reading the book. So my friend gifted me one book of Ted Chiang, stories of your life and others. So I just finished the first chapter of it, like a Tower of Babylon. So let me share the basic concept of what is Tower of Babylon is. So in the place called Shinar, the God created peoples who speaking same language. Okay, so all of them are speaking same language, and they feel they are superior than God. They have one pride in themselves. So they think that let's build one tower which goes toward the heaven. So they try to building it. They goes very high, and after that God decide that giving the same language to all peoples is not a good idea. So it's he changed the language. Everyone speak different language. After that they are not able to communicate with the then means the team and they have, and that's why they scattered and this project gone shut. Like this is the basic concept of Tower of Babylon, I understood. So yeah, there is a lots of thing. There is a story of character name. I am the Kudas. I'm not sure about the character name in that stories, in the Ted Chiang stories, because it's a very different kind of word. The spelling started from the H. I'm totally get forget the word. So yeah, that's it. I'm reading the books because I think scrolling through the mobile or doing any kind of a content, it's not good for our health. I personally think, because when we are doing the time pass, I feel when I am wasting any minute or any kind of a time, I am actually borrowing it, or I am actually I am actually borrowing it for my future self, which might be get successful if he use this time correctly. So I don't want that person. So I will try to do means I will try to use my time as productively as I can. Sometimes it's very difficult because we know lots of things. We know for ourselves what is good, what is bad, but we are not able to choose it at certain time. Yeah, actually everyone knows that what he want and what the means and the solution for it, like if I want to get a job, so there are the basic roadmap, like get a skills, get a job, get a problem solving skills, and better communication, lots means there are the sort of things are there, but we are not able to achieve this sort of a things because we are not able to choose the I'm not sure how can I articulate, like if I have two options, okay, like I want to watch any kind of a movie, or I want to solve any kind of problem. So we know for achieving my goal I want to solve problems, okay. But our brain thinks it is too much hassle, so let's watch something. So that's how our brain work, and I feel we need to trick our brain. We not actually, it's all about dopamine, lots of things are there. And actually I'm not sure why I'm speaking so much to you, and why I'm considering dopamine and lots of things toward our fundamentals, and apply, call, apply, bind, and from that I move to the dopamine. So it is a drastic shift. So yeah, that's it for today. I think nothing more I have to talk. Yeah, bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Sunday and it's a break day. I will figure it out what I do on the Sunday, because I think from the last 3 to 2 Sundays I am just going to the that hills and running there and doing exercise. I feel like I need to do some other kind of activities as well on the Sundays. Need to explore another parts of the Pune, and lots of things are there. So yeah, Pune is blessed with nature, I think. So let's see what I did. Oh, sorry, what I do. I'm sure. So let's meet tomorrow once again and figure it out what I did on Sunday, and how's my week and all sort of things. So till then, namaste, goodbye, bye.